What if I told you that while you're watching this video, someone, somewhere, is probably trying to break into an account, steal a password, scam a business, or lock someone's files for ransom? And no, this is not a movie scene with a hacker in a dark hoodie typing green code at midnight. This is real life. Cyber attacks happen thousands of times every single day. Some estimates say there is an attack roughly every 39 seconds. That means by the time this intro is over, another cyber attack may have already happened. But here's the part most people don't realize. Cybersecurity is not just for hackers, banks, governments, or big tech companies. It is for you, your phone, your Instagram, your email, your bank account, your photos, your identity. So today, I'm going to explain cybersecurity in the simplest way possible. What it is, why it matters, what threats are out there, and what you can do right now to protect yourself. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, I'm Natasha, and welcome to the channel. Here, we make cybersecurity simple, practical, and actually interesting. No complicated jargon, no boring lectures, no pretending you need to be a genius to understand this. Because the truth is, cybersecurity affects everyone who uses the internet, and unless you live in a cabin with no phone, no Wi-Fi, no bank account, no social media, and no digital life, cybersecurity already matters to you. So let's start with the most basic question. What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computers, phones, servers, networks, apps, and data from unauthorized access, damage, theft, or attacks. But let's make that even simpler. Cybersecurity means protecting your digital life. Think about your real life. You lock your house. You don't give your car keys to strangers. You don't leave your wallet in the middle of the street. You probably don't tell random people your home address, your bank PIN, or where you keep your important documents. Cybersecurity is the digital version of that. It protects things like your passwords, private messages, photos, bank information, business data, school accounts, medical information, and even the systems that keep hospitals, airports, stores, and companies running. So when people say cybersecurity, don't imagine only super advanced hackers. Imagine digital locks, digital alarms, digital habits, and digital awareness. Because most cyber problems don't begin with a dramatic hack. They begin with one small mistake. Here's why cybersecurity matters more today than ever before. Everything is connected. Your phone connects to your email connects to your bank connects to your identity connects to your job, school, taxes, medical records, subscriptions, and social media. One weak password can open the door to everything. Let me give you a normal example. Imagine someone gets access to your email. At first, that may not sound like a big deal. Maybe you think, okay, they can read some messages. But your email is usually the recovery key for your entire digital life. With your email, an attacker may try to reset your Instagram password, your bank password, your cloud storage password, your shopping accounts, and even your work or school accounts. That is why cybersecurity matters. Because in the digital world, one small door can lead to the whole house. And the damage is not only technical. Cyber attacks can lead to identity theft, financial loss, blackmail, business shutdowns, lost memories, stolen accounts, and emotional stress. This is not just about computers. It is about real consequences in real life. Now, here's one of the most important things you need to understand. Cybersecurity is not only about technology. It is also about people. Studies have found that a huge percentage of data breaches involve human mistakes. One commonly cited figure says around 88% of breaches are caused by human error. That means many cyber attacks don't happen because the attacker is a genius. They happen because someone clicks a fake link. Someone reuses the same password everywhere. Someone downloads a suspicious file. Someone trusts a message that looks urgent. Someone ignores an update. Someone shares a code they should never share. And before you judge them, remember this: cyber criminals are very good at manipulation. They don't always attack computers first. They attack emotions, fear, urgency, curiosity, greed, trust. That is why cybersecurity awareness is so powerful, because the first firewall is not always a machine. Sometimes the first firewall is you. Now let's talk about the most common cyber threats you need to know. First, phishing. Phishing is when someone tries to trick you into giving away sensitive information, like your password, credit card number, or verification code. For example, you receive an email that looks like it came from your bank. It says, "Your account has been blocked. Click here immediately to verify your information." You panic. You click. The website looks real. You enter your username and password. But it was fake. Now the attacker has your login information. That is phishing. Second, malware. Malware is malicious software. Basically, bad software designed to harm your device, steal data, spy on you, or give attackers access. It can hide inside fake downloads, cracked software, infected attachments, or suspicious links. A simple example? You download a free premium app from a random website, and suddenly your computer gets slow. Strange pop-ups appear, or your information starts being stolen in the background. That could be malware. Third, ransomware. Ransomware is one of the most dangerous threats. It locks or encrypts your files, and then demands money to unlock them. Imagine opening your laptop and seeing a message that says, "Your files are encrypted. Pay us, or lose everything." Your photos, documents, business files, school projects, client information, all locked. And this is not rare. Ransomware is expected to become even more aggressive in the coming years. Fourth, identity theft. This happens when someone steals your personal information and uses it to pretend to be you. They may try to open accounts, scam your contacts, steal money, or damage your reputation. This can start with something as simple as a leaked password, a stolen ID photo, or too much personal information shared online. And fifth, social engineering. This is when attackers manipulate people instead of hacking systems directly. For example, someone calls pretending to be tech support. They say, "We detected a problem with your account. Please give us the code we just sent to your phone." That code might actually be the key to your account. Social engineering works because it feels human. The attacker may sound polite, professional, urgent, or even friendly, but the goal is the same: to make you do something unsafe. Now, a lot of people think, why would anyone attack me? I'm not famous, I'm not rich, I'm not a company. But cyber criminals don't always target people because they are special. Sometimes they target people because they are easy. If your password is weak, you are a target. If you reuse the same password everywhere, you are a target. If your account has no two-factor authentication, you are a target. If you click links without checking them, you are a target. If your business has no backups, you are a target. And small businesses are especially vulnerable. Why? Because many small businesses think they are too small to be attacked. But attackers know that smaller businesses often have weaker security, less training, fewer backups, and less protection. So cybersecurity affects everyone: students, parents, gamers, influencers, freelancers, small businesses, hospitals, schools, banks, government agencies. If you use technology, cybersecurity affects you. The good news is this: you don't need to be a cybersecurity expert to become much safer online. Small changes can make a huge difference. Start with strong passwords. Don't use 123456. Don't use your birthday. Don't use your pet's name plus the year. And please, don't use the same password for everything. Use long, unique passwords for important accounts. Next, turn on two-factor authentication. This is also called 2FA or MFA. It means that even if someone gets your password, they still need a second verification step to access your account. That one step can stop a lot of attacks. Third, be careful with links. Before you click, pause. Does the message feel urgent? Is the sender suspicious? Is the website address strange? Are they asking for your password, card information, or a code? If something feels off, don't click. Fourth, keep your devices updated. Updates can be annoying, I know, but many updates fix security problems that attackers could use. So when your phone, laptop, browser, or apps ask for updates, don't ignore them forever. Fifth, back up your important files. If ransomware hits your device, a good backup can be the difference between recovery and disaster. And finally, protect your Wi-Fi and avoid risky public networks when dealing with sensitive information. A VPN can help add privacy on public networks, but it is not magic. You still need good habits. Cybersecurity is not about being paranoid. It is about being prepared. And here's another reason cybersecurity is so important. It is also one of the biggest career opportunities in the world. Companies need people who can protect systems, investigate incidents, manage risks, train employees, monitor threats, and respond when things go wrong. And the demand is not slowing down. Cybersecurity salaries in the United States often reach 6 figures, depending on the role, experience, location, and certifications. But here's the best part. You don't need to start as an expert. Everyone starts somewhere. Maybe you begin by learning basic security habits, then networking, then operating systems, then ethical hacking concepts, then cloud security, then certifications. Cybersecurity is a field where curiosity, discipline, and consistency matter a lot. And if you like solving problems, protecting people, and understanding how digital systems work, this could be a path worth exploring. And here at TySec Lab, we're going to walk you through all of it, step by step. So, let's recap. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting your digital life. It matters because everything is connected. It affects everyone, not just big companies. The most common threats include phishing, malware, ransomware, identity theft, and social engineering. And the best place to start is with simple habits. Use strong passwords. Turn on two-factor authentication. Think before you click. Update your devices. Back up your files. And stay aware. Cybersecurity is not just about technology. It is about protecting your future. If this video helped you understand cybersecurity in a simple way, subscribe to the channel because this is just the beginning. In the next videos, we're going to break down phishing, passwords, hackers, malware, online privacy, and how to start learning cybersecurity from zero. I'm Natasha, and welcome to your cybersecurity journey. See you in the next one.